What if there was a magnitude 15 earthquake? Forget anything you know about earthquakes. The Richter scale is logarithmic, so a magnitude 15 is a million times stronger than the biggest quake ever recorded. It would release the energy of 1,000 nukes at once. The Earth's crust wouldn't just shake, it would tear apart and miles wide. Continents would crack and separate in seconds. The ground would liquefy. Tsunamis thousands of feet high would obliterate coastlines, but it gets worse. And the planet itself would ring like a bell. Seismic waves would travel through the core, causing another magnitude 15 quake on the exact opposite side of the world. The Earth would be torn apart from the inside out, becoming a shattered, molten wasteland. To see the full, terrifying timeline of this planetary destruction, watch our full-length video. The link is in the comments and description.